Okay, let's create our Azure Kubernetes cluster. I logged into my Azure Portal. Here you will find Kubernetes services somewhere. It might not be here for you, then you have to type it here and it will come up. You choose Kubernetes services, you choose create. We want to create a cluster. Okay, so this is my subscription. I'm using free tier so everyone can learn from the video and create their own for learning purposes. I am gonna create a new resource group here. We'll name it MO resource group. Resource group G. We will create a new cluster. I will name it MO AKS cluster, and we will leave the region East US and everything else as is, and we will create and we will see if we can create or not. Sometimes we run out of virtual CPU quota and we get an error. If so, then we have to try different regions. Okay, we got the error. Okay, it says the VM size of a standard DS2 v2 is not allowed in East US. Okay, was it standard DSv2? Okay, let's try East US2 and see what we get. We choose East US2. Okay, it seems you get lucky. Our cluster has been created. If it is created, then we are going to... Okay, awesome. We have the cluster. Deployment is in progress. Okay. Awesome, got created. Okay. Next is that we are going to... in next video, we are going to configure, install kubectl on our local device and configure it so we can work with this cluster and deploy our application.